we bring you 20 multi-purpose gadgets for everyday convenience. Innovative tools that are stylish, functional, and perfect for your home office or on-the-go lifestyle. From smart tech to practical devices, we've got something for everyone. Make sure to check out the link in the video description for more details on these amazing gadgets. Are you tired of clutter and searching for a simple solution to organize your bathroom or balcony? Meet the foldable clothes and hat rack with hooks, your ultimate space-saving solution. With its sleek design and sturdy build, this rack offers ample storage for clothes, hats, towels, and more, all while folding neatly away when not in use. Perfect for compact spaces, it's easy to install and blends seamlessly with any decor. Aisilan Surface Mounted LED Downlight, crafted from sleek matte aluminum and powered by a high-performance cob chip. This modern spotlight is designed to add elegance and functionality to your living room, kitchen, or any space needing focused ambient light. Easy to install and energy efficient, it provides consistent glare-free illumination, making it the ideal choice for style and comfort. Are you tired of the hassle of cleaning windows? Meet the Purerobo W-S9S window cleaning robot. Your ultimate cleaning assistant with smart app control and a convenient remote, this high-tech robot makes window cleaning effortless. Its automatic water spray system ensures streak-free shine, while the powerful electric vacuum technology keeps it securely attached to the glass. Kodak Digital Photo Frame, the perfect way to relive your favorite moments in stunning detail. With its 1920 by 1200 FHD touchscreen, your photos and videos come to life with crystal clear clarity. It features a built-in rechargeable battery offering true portability, so you can enjoy your memories anywhere in your home. The generous 32 GB of internal storage means you can store thousands of pictures and videos hassle-free. TESSAN Power Cube Multi-Outlets Extender. This compact yet powerful adapter features 3 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, perfect for powering all your devices simultaneously. With its 1.5-meter extension cord and sleek design, it's ideal for your home office or travel needs. Compatible with EU and KR plugs, the TESSAN Power Cube ensures safe, fast charging for your gadgets while keeping your space tidy. Transform your space into a serene haven with the Aroma Humidifier Flame Essential Oil Diffuser. This stylish diffuser not only adds moisture to the air, but also fills your room with calming fragrances using your favorite essential oils. Its unique flame design creates a warm ambiance, enhanced by customizable RGB lighting to suit your mood. Perfect for home office or bedtime, it's the ultimate blend of style, wellness, and convenience. Vancostar Laser Hair Removal IPL Epilator. Your ultimate self-care solution. This device combines hair removal, skin rejuvenation, acne treatment, and cooling technology in one sleek package. Featuring an easy-to-read LCD screen, it's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Whether you're targeting unwanted hair or improving skin tone, Vancostar makes it simple, safe, and effective. Kensington Slim Blade Pro, the ultimate trackball mouse for precision, comfort, and style. With its dual connectivity options, wireless via Bluetooth or USB receiver, and wired for uninterrupted workflow. It's built to suit any setup. Its ergonomic design minimizes hand movement, while the customizable buttons and scroll ring give you intuitive control for editing, gaming, or everyday tasks. DUKA ATuMan LS5. Laser Rangefinder, the ultimate tool for precision measurement. With a range of up to 40 meters, this sleek pocket-sized device is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. It features accurate laser measurement, a user-friendly digital display, and multiple modes including area, volume, and continuous measurement. Say goodbye to bulky tape measures. This electric digital ruler makes measuring faster, easier, and more reliable. Looking for quick muscle relief on the go? Meet the MUKASI Massage Gun Portable Percussion Pistol Massager. This compact powerhouse offers deep tissue relief with customizable speed settings, making it perfect for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone dealing with sore muscles. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and designed for precision, helping to improve blood flow, reduce tension, and speed up recovery. Looking for an easy way to control your outdoor devices with your smart home setup? The Meross Home Kit Outdoor Smart Plug with 2 sockets is perfect for you. It's fully compatible with Apple HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistant, giving you hands-free control over your lights, fountains, or any outdoor electronics. It's IP44 weatherproof, so it's built to handle the elements. With dual outlets, you can control 2 devices independently, all from your phone or voice commands. Introducing the Mini 3D HD Hologram Fan Projector, the ultimate tool for eye-catching displays. This compact projector uses spinning LED blades to create mesmerizing, high-definition 3D visuals that seem to float in midair, making it perfect for stores, events, or even at home. Easy to set up and customizable with your own images and videos, this hologram fan captures attention like nothing else, turning any space into a visual spectacle. Looking for a hands-free, hygienic way to freshen up your breath? Meet the automatic mouthwash dispenser bottle. This sleek gadget dispenses the perfect amount of mouthwash with just a wave of your hand. No need to touch or pour. Simply fill the bottle with your favorite mouthwash and the touchless sensor does the rest. The Turbojet Fan, your ultimate solution for powerful airflow. With its cutting-edge design and advanced turbo technology, this air blower delivers an astonishing amount of air with incredible efficiency. Whether you're drying off a car, clearing out your garage, or keeping your outdoor space dust-free, the Turbojet Fan tackles it all in no time. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for both home and professional use. Introducing the Ivy Smart Planter, the perfect solution for indoor gardening enthusiasts. This USB rechargeable flower pot not only adds a touch of elegance to your home, but also takes the guesswork out of plant care. With its built-in sensor, the Ivy Smart Planter monitors soil moisture levels, ensuring your plants get the right amount of water at the right time. Are you ready to upgrade your cleaning game? Meet the Laresar 6 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner, the ultimate blend of power and convenience. With its smart mapping technology, it navigates your home effortlessly, leaving no corner untouched. This cleaning powerhouse features strong suction to tackle dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease, while its mopping function leaves your floors spotless. Plus, the app control lets you schedule and customize your cleaning from anywhere. B5 Reusable Smart Notebook Digital Notepad. This versatile notepad is perfect for anyone who loves to take notes, sketch, or brainstorm. With lined and dotted pages, it's ideal for writing, drawing, or planning. The best part? It comes with an erasable pen and a wipe cloth, so you can easily clear your pages and reuse them again and again. The world of powerful sound with the JBL Charge 5 portable Bluetooth speaker. This compact speaker packs a punch with its stunning 30 hours of playtime, making it perfect for all-day adventures or backyard parties. With its IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, you can take it to the beach or pool without worrying about splashes or spills. Looking for a reliable, eco-friendly power solution? Meet the Bluetti refurbished AC 1801800 watts, 1152 watt-hours solar generator. This portable powerhouse offers 1800 watts of continuous output and a large 1152 watt-hour battery capacity, making it ideal for camping, emergencies, or remote work. With its quick solar and AC recharging options, you're covered whether you're on or off the grid. The Made Show M8F hair clippers are here to level up your style game. With a powerful motor-precise blade design and ultra-quiet operation, it's built for professionals and DIY haircuts alike. The sleek ergonomic design ensures comfort while its cordless versatility gives you freedom to style anytime, anywhere. With multiple comb attachments, achieving your perfect look has never been easier. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech. All the gadgets featured today are linked in the description, be sure to check them out.